everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very short video, but I want to see which one is better at removing makeup. The Bliss makeup melt wipes versus the Yesto molecular water. This one is detoxifying and this one has a lot of great skincare benefits, but which one is best at removing makeup? I'm going to actually do half my face with the Bliss wipe and the molecular water on the other side. For the left side of my face, I'm using the Bliss makeup melt wipes. They're really great. They have a lot of great ingredients in them. They're cruelty free, just all kinds of different nourishing products, which I love. Something that will actually protect your face and also take off all the makeup. Just doing this half of my face to show you how well it works. Super nice, and already it got off a lot of makeup already. I used a lot of matte formulas to show you how well it works on the toughest makeup. This one is super effective. I've been using this product a lot from Bliss. It's been one of my go-to favorites because it's just quick, simple, and easy. It's just wipe and go, and it's been really good. It does take some time for scrubbing off everything. It does effectively get off product as well, but taking off the eyeshadow, and I have a very pigmented eyeshadow to show you how well it works. It's just melting off the pigment so well, as you can see right here. I'm like impressed, and that's why I like this product a lot, and it's affordable and you get 30 wipes. It does a really good job at taking off eyeliner, but if it's like really thick, it has a problem with doing that. I don't see any residue left over, which is nice. That's one side of my face done, and you can see it took off a lot of makeup. Moving on to the Yesto molecular water for the right side of my face, and you have to shake it up in order to get the charcoal activated in the product, but it kind of splashes out, which is not that great. You can either take a washcloth or a paper towel. I'm taking a paper towel because I have no available washcloths right now. Someone has to do laundry, and it has like this very unique top. As you can see, like it's a pump top, but you have to open it like that and press down for the product to come out like that, which is like it's okay, but it gets clogged a lot. Ooh, like it kind of makes a mess, but it is efficient though. And it smells like the other Yesto charcoal products. So if you like the smell of those products, you'll like this one as well. And look, it's already taken off a lot of makeup already. This is going to be a tough challenge to see which one is the best. You just flip over the paper towel like so, or your cloth, and continue wiping. This one, I don't like that it makes a mess. You have to keep going in with the product. And once you're done with the application, your skin will feel supple and smooth. Unlike the wipes that kind of dry out your skin a little bit. If you have acne prone skin, it won't cause so many breakouts, which is nice because you don't need that in your life. And I'm just taking this and gliding it over the eye makeup, and it's just melting everything away, and it doesn't burn your eyes, which is great. The oily products always sting your eyes, and you always have to like rinse off your eye area because of the stinging, or somehow wipe it off. This one is molecular water, so it doesn't burn your eyes. Like, I have it on my eye and it's not burning anything, so it makes it more efficient than the oil-based products that are out there right now. That's why I recommend this one. It's doing a great job at getting off everything. You have it. Now my face has no makeup on it, so
Another one bites the dust.
This one is the winner. In my opinion, the molecular water from Yesto cleaned up everything flawlessly. I think it did a much better job than the Bliss makeup melt wipes. These are really good, but it didn't get in all the nooks and crannies that I wanted it to. With the molecular water, everything seemed to be like a breeze. And this is the first time comparing the two. Like, I've always sworn by the wipes, never the molecular water. I thought it would break out my skin. I did try it once just by itself, and it didn't break out my skin. I recommend trying this one out. If you haven't tried molecular water, if you're into like wearing really bright colors or dark colors, something very pigmented, I recommend the molecular water to clear off all that makeup and residue. And this one was at Target, so I'm going to try and link it down below wherever I find it online, so that way you can get your hands on it for yourself. The Bliss wipes are good if you have light makeup, not too much product on your face. So if you like to go lighter on makeup, this one is probably best for you. These ones are awesome as well, so I'll actually link these down below, the second place winner. I really wanted to make this video for you guys and compare the two. Which one is better? Wipes versus molecular water. Molecular water is everywhere. It's actually a hot product. I see it all the time in different various forms. So I got my form right here, and I'm excited that I tried it out for you and I can see which one is best. Thank you so much for watching my Bliss versus Yesto, which one is better video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. I'd super appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe with notifications on, and don't forget to press that bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.